So here is the future mud room, which is actually the second area that leads into the hallway of the house. So the plan is to make this a mud room, close it in, probably washers and dryers off to the left side. There's a foundation under it, so that'll be good and fairly easy. Then up above all of this, take that up to the roof to slant it so that it has a nice look to it. We'll leave the stairway, probably close off this wall right here so we can put the refrigerator here. Taking this wall right here, going into the dining room out, and putting in an island with a stovetop, a sink, and Jeremy has a double oven that we can probably put over here in this wall next to the fridge or somewhere. We'll figure that out. The sink would go facing into the dining room area. This would give us a little bit of a nook or something to where we have access to the windows. And this back area here would be a fantastic pantry. Again, take the roof, take this fake roof up to the ceiling top and clear this out here also. So, okay, and then the wall opens up in here. This is the china cabinet, which I don't know if this is real silver or not. We're trying to debate, but anyway, that'll all be gone. We take this cabinet out. The ceiling in here, who knows? I like the beams. I'll talk to Jeremy. We may just see if there's real wood under the beams, maybe get that cleared off and show the wood, or just paint over it again. Take these doors out and put pocket doors in. So now from this living room area, we go in, we've got pocket doors left and right so that we can close it off if we want to. It takes minimal work. We don't have to break out the arch. And now we've got all this room in here to do with whatever. The floors, we should be able to get away with sanding and staining those nicely. And what we may do here is to drop the ceiling in this whole foyer area here so that when we get upstairs, we can drop the space at the top of the stairs to provide access to the bathroom upstairs. The idea in here is we'll put the wall up going across here, and that whole area would be the master bedroom, master bath. And in here, in this area, we put a half bath. The closet area, my thinking on the closet area is we just go through this wall. I'll talk to Jeremy and about it, but go through this wall here to make the closet in this side, not in this side, because we've moved the laundry area out to the mudroom outside. And so now we'd have a wall over here. Who knows, maybe pocket door, I don't know, but you have a master bath over in there. Master bedroom here. Have access through that door for the master bedroom. And have to do something for closet space a little bit. That's kind of small. Technically it's a closet, but it is rather small for that. The other option, of course, would be to, and I'll talk to Jeremy about this, I don't know square footage wise, I have to check that. Maybe this is the master, and we put the wall up here and you have a half bath. We'll look at that. I'm just recording so I remember some of this. Plus, now that I'm not teaching, I don't get to hear my voice as much. So come up here. The big thing here is this, removing this beam here so people don't beat their heads. And this is the part right here that we were talking about dropping, because that's the part that's in the foyer. If we drop that down, put like a shower bath in here, and still in this area, depending on what we can do with this, we're going to, and during demo, we'll rip all of this up to see what's actually under this. And we may end up having access through a closet over here on this wall. We push this wall back a little bit, make a big closet, wide open closet that ends up being a hallway to all of the attic storage back here. Because we don't want to give up the storage space completely, but we do want a bathroom up here. And then here, have to see what's behind this wall, and up here, because I think all that needs new sheetrock. And got to see what's over on the other side of this here. Let's see, can I get a light? Yeah, whatever. So over here, this wall goes into the other bathroom up here that we have to see what exactly is going on with that. So, a lot of potential up here. The floors, except for the paint over them, actually look like they were hardwood also. Again, this one, we may be able to go forward a little bit or go to that wall a little bit more, but it would be a lot easier going out this way. And who knows what's back there. Again, this is the side where we would put the wall. Here's the mud room from the inside. So we've got the mud room out there. Any big items would be able to come in through this and go straight upstairs, so you don't have to use this area necessarily for corner space to turn the corner. All these ceilings, we'd have to redo that. And even with that, we still have a little bit of a closet here. So this door, I think the idea was we'd keep this door. There's no reason to take it out at this point, now that we aren't talking about using the under the steps as a half bath. Yeah, that's about everything. And this is a nice little cutaway to the window, which could be a nice little bay window kind of thing going on there. So that's about everything, I think. Oh, and yeah, maybe put a door on here that has hinges. Hope that didn't go too fast, but that should be enough for me to remember. And I don't particularly like that whole opening there. If we drop the roof down here in the foyer to the same as it is in here, even though we're going to pull all that down, we go in and we can take that whole opening out. All that funny looking stuff in there. Okay, bye.